In this day and age, there are strategies for all sort of things. War, check. Cricket, check. Navigating rush hour traffic in the evening, check. What? No. I'm not giving away that secret. So why should investments be an exception, right? After all, it's not some random exercise where anything goes by. Your actions today could lead to drastically different outcomes, say, even 20 years from now. Take, for instance, mutual funds. Simply understanding how they work and freezing on a preferred type isn't enough until you complement that choice by opting for the right investment strategy as per your investment objectives. Understand that? Well, broadly speaking, you have the growth plan, the dividend plan, and a few others. Number one, the growth option. Okay, so with this growth option, your payouts are reinvested back into the fund, which will over time lead to an increase in your net asset value or NAV. If you're looking for better returns in the long term to take care of your long-term financial requirements, this may be it. And then there is dividend payout. I'm sure you know about dividends, right? It's the profit distributed by companies to shareholders. This dividend is in turn passed on by the mutual fund manager to all who invested in dividend yield funds. If you're seeking for a steady source of income, the dividend payout option may be your fix. But of course, it only works if you choose the right fund to invest in. You get that? Okay. Now, let's look at dividend reinvestment. Well, as the name suggests, dividend reinvestment plans or DRIPs allow you to reinvest the dividend payouts back into the mutual fund for buying shares or fractional shares. DRIPs enable you to use the power of compounding and significantly increase your asset value over time. Then we have dividend transfer schemes. So these schemes offer you the best of both worlds, that is, debt and equity investments. Here's how it works. The dividend declared in the source scheme is invested in the target scheme. The source scheme is usually a debt fund, while the target scheme is usually an equity fund. Interesting, right? Now, to the popular SIP. A systematic investment plan or SIP allows you to invest small amounts in a mutual fund periodically, making it ideal for those who prefer not to make a big fat investment all at once. SIPs require you to invest regularly in a mutual fund scheme of your choice for the long term. And staying for the long term here is a great way to take advantage of volatile market cycles. And lastly, we have systematic withdrawal plan or SWP. A great choice for those who want a regular income source. SWPs enable you to withdraw money from your mutual fund at regular intervals. And that's it, guys. That's a wrap. And hey, don't go. There is no such thing as right or wrong. It's all about what works for you, so think hard and choose wisely. I'll go.
Investments in security markets are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.